Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya Rey and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know when I upload, and also make sure you like and share the video. If you are returning back, thank you so much, my goddess, for joining me again on another video. I really appreciate you. So, not going to do a long voiceover on this video. Just wanted to quickly explain that this video is a follow-up video from one of my clients. I will link her previous video in the comments, not the comments, but the description box below, and also there'll be a link that you can click on in this video. When I first did her hair, it took me over 4 hours to do her suppress. She has very low porosity hair. She really has a hard time maintaining moisture in her hair. What we do to her hair when she does come in is Olaplex treatments and hydration treatments for her. She was coming every month, and then she kind of had to spread out her appointments. She is a college student, so I completely understand, but if she was able to come in every month and keep up with her monthly routine, she definitely would see more improvement in her hair quicker. But you know, with this appointment, I can definitely see that she is putting forth the effort at home to do her part, to do her deep conditioning for her hair, and there is some changes in her hair. So over time, we'll see an improvement as far as her maintaining moisture in her hair and making it more manageable for her. She doesn't have unhealthy hair. She just has unmanageable hair right now. It's hard for her to manage it because she hasn't really gotten it down pat yet on how to keep moisture in her hair. So it's a continuous process. It takes two. You have to educate your client what to do at home, and hopefully, you know, they keep it up. And then, you know, we do what we can in the salon. Change, you guys, doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes it doesn't happen in a couple of visits. You have to be patient with the process. So that's pretty much it. As you can see on the screen, I will be returning back to the salon on June 26th. Okay, if you are a part of my email list, then you will get an email on Monday. And regarding to, if you hear my husband in the background, I'm so sorry, y'all. He is in the other room playing that Call of Duty game. So if you hear him yelling, my apologies, but you know, it is what it is. This is a household. We make noise in here. But anywho, I am returning back to the salon on June 26th. My books will reopen. If you are part of my email list, then you will receive an email on Monday as far as new salon regulations, and also the process to get your appointments booked. Okay, so if you're interested in booking an appointment with me, go ahead and go to my website. I'll leave a link below where you can sign up for my email list, and you'll get all the details. I thank you guys for rocking with me. More videos to come. You guys, I got a video dropping on Friday too, so I'm doing real good, y'all. Like 2-3 videos this week. I'm doing good. I'm so proud of myself. So love you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me. And once again, if you're new here watching my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any questions, you guys can certainly ask me in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer you in a timely manner. Until next time, guys, deuces.